Good afternoon, Dave is here. Think and Act Locally. We're at Michelle White's Speech, Language, and Academic Services. We've got the Hokey Pokey Truck over here. We're gonna go eat some ice cream sandwiches. The rain is coming. Hey! Hokey Pokey Truck. Hi. Woo! How's everybody doing?
Hokey Pokey Truck!
Thank you. Hi. The ice cream is good?
All right, guys, you excited for your Hokey Pokey?
Hi. Fruity Pebbles.
We can get Hokey Pokey. We always have to do a dance.
Okay.
You have to earn your Hokey Pokey.
All right.
You gotta be ready?
You gotta show me how to do the dance.
All right, we got it. Do it now. Everybody gets to do this. Circle up, crew. Circle up. Come on. Everybody circle up. Ready, guys? Yeah. You put your right hand in. You put your right hand out. You put your right hand in. And you shake it all about. You do the Hokey Pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Left hand. Put your left hand in. You put your left hand out. You put your left hand in. And you shake it all about. You do the Hokey Pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Right foot. You put your right foot in. You put your right foot out. You put your right foot in. And you shake it all about. You do the Hokey Pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Left foot. You put your left foot in. You put your left foot out. Put your left foot in. And you shake it all about. You do the Hokey Pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Last one, wholesale. You put your wholesale in. You put your wholesale out. You put your wholesale in. And you shake it all about. You do the Hokey Pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Hokey Pokey! Right, everybody hands in. Here they are, hands in. Everybody, go team, go team, go team. Everybody, hands in. Right on the count of three, we yell Hokey Pokey. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hokey Pokey!
All right, now you can line up and get a sandwich. Crew, take your spots. Okay, what kind do we have?
I'm ready for some ice cream.
Like they just know that they're ready. You know, the fun. Oh, they're sweet. Yeah, they're sweet. They're sweet. So are these kids. It works really well. Step on up, you can have one.
What do you recommend? We have the red velvet. Okay, let's do, I want the red velvet. Give me 3 red velvets. Yeah, 1 for me, 1 for him, and 1 for indoor. And then you can get 1 too. Here. I'll get another one. Here, go take 1 to indoor. Go take that to indoor.
Yeah, we're so excited everybody got to come out today for our pop-up of our Hokey Pokey Truck. This is our Hokey Pokey Truck in action. We're all about fun and joy and spreading the goodness, as well as handing out some Hokey Pokeys.
It's good, you guys should have been here.
Yeah, exactly. But we'll have more pop-ups, we'll have more community events that we'll be out to.
Awesome.
We also we rent out the truck for parties and for things like that, and what we bring is the fun and the joy and the goodness.
Okay.
We have a good time.
Yes, thank you. And follow us on Facebook and Instagram, The Wisteria Project and Hokey Pokey Truck.
Yep. Be watching. We got big things coming up.
Very good.
Can I get up?
Hokey Pokey.
When the service is in and the world feels so wide, Michelle said, what are we gonna do with love as our guide? Takes time to bloom like the wisteria vine. Can't grow alone.
Hey, we had fun here with the Hokey Pokey gang, the Hokey Pokey Truck. Hey, mine is gone. It was a little rainy today, but we made it through before the rain came through. And hey, support your local whatever organizations, anybody that needs your support, go out and support them. Be part of the community. Remember, think and act locally, make it a great day. We'll see you guys later.